Welcome everybody to Ontario Motor Sales. Take a look at what we have today. This is a 2022 Chevy Silverado 3500 HD True North Edition Z71 off-road package. This is the workhorse of the Silverado lineup with, that's right, the Duramax Diesel engine. What an incredible find. If you need to tow, this is the truck for you. This is absolutely fantastic. We are going to take you on a tour of this Duramax as if you were here with us on the lot, so you get a good look at what you're up for and in store when you pick up this Silverado from us here at OMS. Now, this is a one-owner vehicle, no accident history. An OMS original means it was bought here, serviced here, and traded here, and also qualifies for the CPO program. This has just over 64,000 kilometers on it. It is in incredible condition. Let's talk about the elephant. And it's not the elephant in the room, it is the elephant of an engine. This is a 6.6 liter V8 Duramax turbo diesel connected to an Allison 10-speed automatic transmission, and of course, it's 4x4. Now, in that truck bed, we have the Gooseneck fifth wheel package. So, what does that mean? That means we're towing in excess of 30,000 pounds. If you are just using the conventional tow hitch receiver, 18,500 pounds. I don't know what the equivalent is to that in a sense of what can you actually tow. I'm guessing the space shuttle. I don't know. Maybe we can tow the space shuttle with this. Who knows? But it's an incredibly powerful truck. All right, now let's walk around the outside. Let's talk about some of the nice stuff we got here. We have these great looking 18-inch alloy wheels. Got fantastic Michelin rubber on here as well. This features the Z71 off-road package, so you have that beefed up suspension. You can take a look at all those components there. We have skid plates underneath as well, just in case you do take this bad boy off-roading. You can see the nice Z71 package or badge here. We've also got the towing mirrors, which makes sense. We're gonna tow. So we've got the towing mirrors here. Vent visors up top, steps down below just to help the little ones get into the back. Love the step up bed here so you can hop in the back from multiple points. Look at the beefed up suspension on this. Look at how incredible this is. I mean, this is how we're towing all that weight. Step up bumper in the rear. Coming around the back, we have that dual action tailgate as well. Nice chrome bumper. Got the rear sonar back here, the conventional tow hitch receiver, the integrated trailer brake controller as well. Now, of course, we can flip down just this here. So if you had some longer stuff, you want to hang it out the back, you don't want to muck up the top of this, it's a great option for you. Or we flip it back up, drop down the full tailgate. You can see there the gooseneck is all ready to be installed if that's what you need to do. We've got the handle over here that flips up if you need a little help getting in the back. Look at the 400 watt power outlet back here. So this is ready for the workplace. This is ready for the job site. I don't even know what this is. I'm looking at this stuff here like somebody's gonna know what that is. I don't know what that is. Whatever. Let's flip it back up. Hey, I don't know everything about everything. All right, but I did have to do a lot of research on this truck because it is a beast. I mean, I've got to step probably 10 feet back just to get it all in frame for you. Coming around the passenger side, great time to tell you about the certified pre-owned program. So this truck is going to have a 150-point inspection on it. That's not a safety inspection. That's well over and above. It's going to come with a 3-month, 5,000 kilometer limited comprehensive warranty. We're going to have 30 days or 2,500 kilometer exchange privilege plus 3 months of XM satellite radio as part of that program. When you call, ask us about it. It is absolutely a fantastic program. Up front, great looking headlights. And then taking a step back, just take a look at the front end on this. I mean, they know it's coming. Got the tow hook, recovery hooks down here. You can be a good neighbor, good Samaritan, pull some people out. The little Z71 badge there. I mean, it's got presence. Let's face it, this is a gorgeous truck. Black on black too. I mean, come on. Unreal. All right, let's go take a look in the back seats, then we'll hop in the front. Beautiful leather interior. Seats are in absolutely great condition. Nice big center armrest here that folds down. We got the power rear window. We've got storage built into the seats. These seats obviously all flip up as well. Got some USB ports back here. Even have some rubber floor mats down below. I mean, this is big enough for adults back here, like big adults, like, you know, the guys. They can fit back there, no problem. Up front, same beautiful seats. We have a power driver's seat with power lumbar support. And yes, I do have to use the step to get into this thing. It is quite tall off the ground. All right, we're inside. This is where the work gets done. Beautiful cab. Everything's laid out perfectly. Super comfortable. We've got a heated leather wrapped steering wheel here. We've got, look at the odometer, 64,352. And as we know, on a diesel, that is nothing. We've just broken it in. I mean, over here, we've got our 4x4 controls plus our trailer tow mode. We've got the truck bed lighting system, the automatic lights as well. They're all down here. Love the fact that we've got 5 auxiliary outlets, so we can plug in, maybe you've got some lights or some other cool stuff you want to plug in, and then we've got the auxiliary buttons there that we can attach them to. That's really kind of cool. Looking through, just give you a nice little point of view from the driver's perspective here. Now in the infotainment system, we've got Sirius satellite radio that you can see there. We have Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. We've got Wi-Fi and 4G LTE connection. OnStar, of course. There's your Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. We do have the trailering system as well, so this is really nice. It's going to give you a checklist of things that you need to do when you hook up a trailer. I imagine if you're buying a 3500, you don't need the checklist, but I'm just saying it's there if you need it, okay? Going back over here, Chevy apps available by subscription. We've got Sirius XM satellite radio, Amazon Alexa. You can download Spotify. It's got all sorts of fantastic stuff in this system. And then our cameras. All right, so look at this. We've got our nice rear view camera system. I love this though. This to me is such a smart thing that they've put on trucks now. You get to see your payload in the back. And doesn't that make sense? I mean, if you got stuff strapped down, I mean, you could always be a little bit nervous about it, but now you can check up on it. I love that. I think it's so fantastic. And then we've got the hitch view here, so that way you don't have to have a domestic disturbance or a fight with the coworkers of trying to back up and line up with your hitch. Just use this camera system and it's going to take care of all the rest for you. We've got dual zone climate control, heated front seats for the driver and the passenger. We've got a whole bunch of cool buttons. We got our tailgate one here, our power outlets, a regular home power outlet up front, USB ports aplenty, and then our trailer brake controller as well, all integrated, of course. Left the key fob here to show you it does have a remote start, and then your power tailgate. And then look at the massive armrest here up front with so much storage down in here, more USB ports. You got enough USBs, you can power the space shuttle. And then we've got 2 glove boxes over here. Everything is just amazing. I can't say how much I love this truck. Here's our Carfax. 1 owner, no reported accidents, 11 service records on file. You can see there, OMS original, certified pre-owned. We even have the whole build sheet for this as well. So if you want to see every spec and option, it is all here ready, waiting for you at Ontario Motor Sales. Now, let's be honest, the next thing you need to do is go online and reserve this truck. Okay, you can reserve it right from our website, or you can come down here and get behind the wheel of your new 3500 HD. It's a stunning truck. It's got more than the capability for anything you can throw at it, and it's in such nice shape. This is just a beauty. We are so excited to have this for you here at OMS. So please come visit us right here in the heart of Oshawa. Get behind your new 3500 HD. Show all the fellas, show it off, park in the driveway with pride. It's a beauty. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you soon.